Mama kwa onkwa, abugeli muno sonu onkwa. Bracket today, no kana mighty, I'm gonna me for jama.
Now only you they kiss me nice. Now only you they make me feel right. Now your love they make me high. Only your love they make me feel high.
I cannot do it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is going to be a sewing tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how I was able to make this beautiful sewing. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to make this beautiful sewing. I used 3.5 bundle and a closure to make this sewing, and the hair I use is a raw virgin hair. It's from Cexxy Hair Company. I'm going to leave all the hair specs and everything in the description box below. So of all the sewing I've been doing, this is actually one of the best because I took my time and it's very secured and well made. And this video is actually a detailed sewing tutorial. I know it can be challenges for some people or intimidating or overwhelming for some of you guys, but I promise you, when you just start doing it, just try it. You know, if you do it, it's actually worth it because you can keep your sewing for up to 4 weeks. So just go ahead and try it, and I hope you guys enjoy and learn something from this video. Now let's just get into the tutorial.
Hi guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start by doing my braid pattern. I'll be doing a middle part. If you want to do a side part, you can definitely do that. So to do the front of my braiding pattern, I like to use a little bit of extension just for the cornrow in front, because I want to make sure that the cornrow is very firm and secured. So now I'm done with the cornrow, and this is what it looks like. So right here I'm gonna show you guys what the hair looks like. Ended up using 3.5 bundles and a closure for this style. So this is what the closure looks like, and this is what a bundle looks like. So right here I'm just gonna place the lace closure on my dome head or my wig head, and then I'm gonna do a middle part, and then I'm gonna twist the part. So when I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and start sewing down the closure on my head. After sewing down the closure, I'm going to start sewing down the bundle. I like using double weft. I double the weft of the bundles while doing the sewing. That way it's easier and faster for me.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized.
Now I'm done with the first bundle. I'm gonna go ahead and begin with the second bundle.
Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
So right here I'm done with the second bundle. I'm gonna go ahead and begin with the third bundle.
Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights.
So right here, this is the fourth bundle. Like I said earlier on, I ended up using half of this bundle.
Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
After doing the sewing, I'm just gonna go ahead and take my foundation and apply on the pattern just to give it a more natural look. And then I'm just gonna comb the hair through. And I'm gonna lay my edges. This is totally optional. And yes guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is going to be my current natural hair routine. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking